Trust in the Lord with all thine heart, and lean not unto thine own understanding. Ba't sinabing lean not unto our own understanding? Because if we rely on our own understanding, the chance that we'll make a wrong decision is high. Most of the time, our understanding is affected by our hearts, our emotions. The emotions, sabi nga sa Jeremiah 17:9, the heart is deceitful above all things and desperately wicked. Who can know it? We should learn to control our emotions. Sabi nga sa Ephesians 4:26, be ye angry and sin not. Diba? Be ye angry and sin not. So control it. Diba? Meron nga ano pang language to, dialect, Bisaya. Galit na sila, pero the delivery, napakalambing. Hindi mo alam na galit na sila. Pero, galit na sila, pero parang sarap pakinggan. Diba? So it's a matter of delivery. Pwede kang magalit, pero wag naman yung gigil ka. So, be angry and sin not. Control it.